Welcome to our video on how to make a slanted welt pocket. First, fold the welt along the fold line and press well, sew along the two short sides. Cut the corners diagonally. Turn the welt inside out and form all corners well with a wooden tool or using a needle. Press well, best using a wooden ironing pressing clapper. Mark your bag opening on the right side of your main fabric piece. Place the welt below the marked line. Place the main fabric bag above the line and mark your opening points. Place the lining fabric bag on top of the welt and also mark your opening points. Sew along these lines connecting the opening points, approximately half a centimeter seam allowance. Cut along the center between the two stitched lines. Stop about 1 centimeter before each end point. Then make small diagonal snips toward the stitching so that tiny triangles form. Turn the piece over and pull the outer fabric and the lining pocket bag through the opening to the inside. The welt remains on the right side of the fabric. The outer fabric pocket bag forms the welt on the inside of the pocket. You can see this when looking inside the pocket. Press the lining fabric to the bottom and the main fabric bag to the bottom as well. The small triangles now need to be folded into the pocket. It's best to do this from the right side of the fabric. Pin the two pocket bags together and sew them together. Be careful to catch the small triangles in the seam as you sew. Cut the bags to one side. As you can see, the small triangles are now sewn into the seam and won't flap out anymore. Secure the welt to the main fabric by hand using small invisible stitches. Thanks so much for watching and following along. Be sure to check out all of our other tutorial videos on different sewing techniques and our sisterMAG Patterns sewing pattern shop.